Sit. Sit muna, sit. 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 Choco. So, ito ang laman. Hello. Tanan. Solid. Ano, bilis lang siya. Choco. So, merong instruction. Pero Arabic. Paano to? Ay, naku. Nainig siya. Ay, Schumacher's. Ito pala yung screw niya. Kinamay ko pa. Sorry naman. Yes! This is ugly. Padahal ito na may like it. Aray. Here you go. Yay! Here you go. Let's put this in the place. Oh. Okay, so done na ako doon sa scruncher ngayon. Gawin natin yung cat tower niya. Hopefully, tapos natin to. Mabilis. Anyways, let's start. Good luck sa akin. Oh my God. tungkol sa bagay-bagay. Bye. So, here is the instructions. So, tatry ko siyang gawin na mag-isa. So, let's see if kaya ko. Yeah. Siguro bibigay nila ako ng mga updates. Kasi feeling ko, magsasara na siya. Bye. I'm listening to Chef Satur's Yellow Leaf. On the go things nandito. So may journal, tapos yung mostly use ko na pen, ruler, stapler for work, and then sa side notebook para sa actually ito para sa content creation. So, tapos ito naman for it's my Thai notebook. More about it later kasi may gagawin ako and I need this one. So, maglilinis muna ako before ko ipakita sa inyo to. And then, random things, mirror, And then, yung ano ko. And then, yun lang for this drawer sa table ko. To cook dinner for the fam bago ako umalis. So yeah, yun ang gagawin ko. And then, that's it for now. Now, let's put everything sa desk and then start na ako magluto after. Yep. Okay, let's go. So, ito na po yung setup niya. After ko linisin lahat. So, yeah. So, yun yung laptop, yung iPad, yung phone ko nag-charge. Yung most used kong markers. Yung hairbrush ko, yung gum ko. Tapos yun lang. Tapos calculator. Yun na yun nasa desk ko. Saka lip balms. I need those. So, yun lang yung sa aking study table / shelf area. So, yun lang. Tapos na ako dito. Now, time to cook. Let's go. Hi. So, tapos na ako sa mga gawaing bahay. So, I cook na. I cleaned. Tapos, nag-downtime na rin ako. Kumain na rin pala ako ng lunch. Tapos, nag-downtime na ako. I read the book. Hindi pa ako tapos. Yung Your Friend. Yung fanfic na yun. And now, I remember na may assignment pala ako. Although, wala naman kaming pasok tomorrow. Gusto ko siyang gawin ngayon para wala na ako isipin tomorrow kasi feeling ko baka lumabas ako tomorrow and I won't be able to do that. So yun. So yeah. For the past month na yata I've been attending an online class and Thai language siya. Actually nakita ko lang siya sa TikTok na mag-open sila ng Thai language course and may option na group saka private, and then very affordable lang siya sa tingin ko. Very affordable siya because it was let me double check kasi I remember only by baht and conversion nun. So per lesson is 280 baht. So if you're going to convert that into dirhams, let me just double check it kung tamang 280 nga. Yes, so it's 280 baht, and then pag kinonvert ko naman into dirhams, it's 280 baht. Wait lang. 280 baht. So 280 baht sa EX converter is like 30 dirhams per lesson, and then twice a week kaming may classes. So, Saturday, Sunday. So, sa akin, I think that is very affordable kasi may narinig ako na ang ibang languages, yung classes nila mahal. So, saka gusto ko lang matry na aralin ang Thai. Lalo, gusto ko lang bakit po. Anyways, so, yes. So, ngayon, kakatas na ng 5th. So, sakto nga 1 month. May tumatawag sa akin. Hello? Friend ng birthday ng friend mo. Huwag na lipstick do. So, ito lang. Bakit ko sa inyo yung notes ko? So, ito yung day 1. Very short. Kasi introduction lang siya. So, tinuro lang sa amin yung mga kunchu, aray, tapos yung mga what's your name, tapos dapat mag-reply ka ng dishan, chu, aleli, tapos yung cow, chu, aray, and then yung what is his name, tapos mga sabay di, like how are you, tapos mag-answer ka may sabay, like I'm not fine, tapos mga ganun. Tapos binigyan din kami ng vocabulary sa end. So, yun so far. And nice naman. I enjoyed it. Tapos ito na yung pinaka-latest namin na class, which is day 5. So, ngayon, mas maayos na yung I don't know if you can see it. Pero, wait lang. Change natin yung perspective. Ito na yung notes ko ng day 5. Much organized na siya. Tapos, yan na siya. Tapos, sasabihin, Jin, Kao, Ahan, Nam. Tapos, Kunjin, Aray. And what are you eating? Kasi yung sasabihin mo. So, yan yung day 5 namin. Very clean. Hindi, actually, that's a bit messy pa sa akin. Tapos, every, may vocabulary kami. So, yan siya. So, gang. Ayan, tapos pinatry namin. Pinatry niya kami magsulat ng language. Ewan ko kung tama to. Anyway, so yun lang. So, ito ngayon, gagawin ko yung assignment na binigay niya. Kasi nga, bored na ako and gusto ko may gawin. So, yan po. Gagawin ko siya. And, let's see, syempre, kailangan ko yung notebook ko kasi hindi ko pa naman masyadong memorize. So, yeah. Let's do my homework, I guess. Hongnam yu thi này ka? Okay. Is near the hotel. Tapos ito yung answer ko. So, dito, either dishan, or aleli, or bom, kung lalaki ka. Tapos dishan pag babae ka. So, here, sasabihin mo, aleli chop prai ti, tiyaw ti tale. Oh, shit, I think I butchered that again. So, aleli chop prai tiyaw ti tale. Tale, or tale. Ay, din. Basta yun. I hope you won't embarrass me, motherfucker. Hi.
Nutella?
Hindi, carrot cake. Ito yung may chocolate at saka
Mahal na araw na eh. Undas na madam dito.
Kaya nga, naubos na yung wine.
Gusto mo yan? Ayan.
Jetur.
Yayaman naman ng mga tao sa
Well, lokal eh.
ate, Pilipinas.
Ah, Pinas. Ayun no, bread ahead. Masarap bread ahead. Hindi mo, nagdala din ako niyan sa bahay before eh. Ay, bakit usulong? Oh, ikaw na, check. Yan. May Korean flavor. Risotto rice. Fresh. Baka nilagay lang.
Puro kain pa na.
Yun nga eh. Anyways.
So now, yun muna. Pwede natin gawin sa cake.
Yes.
Yeah.
You put this one to the side. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Para merong konting, ano,
Lasa? May lasa naman ah.
konting ash. Bakit tinutakso nila ako kay Amo?
Kahit? Top chocolate.
How dark is the dark?
Ito pa rin nakita kong mga teacup doon. Sarap yung yung dark.
So lahat pinatikim nila.
I think yung coffee itself, ang ibang flavor. Dito kaya...
Okay, let's start the word one. Kun yakซื้ออะไร Everyone try to say คุณอยากซื้ออะไร
คุณอยากซื้ออะไร
Yes and คุณอยากไปเที่ยวคุณอยากไปที่ไหน
คุณอยากไปที่ไหน
Yes ที่ไหน and perfect คุณอยากไปเที่ยวที่ไหน
คุณอยากไปเที่ยวที่ไหน
Okay คุณอยากเที่ยวที่ไหน and คุณอยากกินข้าวที่ไหน
คุณอยากกินข้าวที่ไหน
Okay, again please กินข้าว
กินข้าว
ภาษา
ญี่ปุ่น
ญี่ปุ่นได้ไหม
Yes, perfect, Celine. You're good. Okay, and next, Aleli.
yes
Aleli, try to say คุณพูดภาษาญี่ปุ่นได้ไหม
คุณพูดภาษาญี่ปุ่นได้ไหม
Okay, ญี่ปุ่นนะ
ญี่ปุ่น
Yes, Aleli. And Piriki. Try to say คุณพูดภาษาอังกฤษได้ไหม
คุณพูดภาษาอังกฤษได้ไหม
Okay, perfect. คุณพูดภาษาอังกฤษได้ไหม And Vanessa, try to say คุณพูดภาษา
Thank you. See you next week. Bye bye.
See you next week. Bye bye.
Thank you everyone. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.